Welcome to Punta Cana, but today we are going far beyond the resort. We found this full-day adventure on TripAdvisor and it promised a real look into Dominican life. Backroads, mountains, farms, local food and a peaceful beach to end the day. In this video I will take you with us through countryside roads to a mountain farmhouse at Ranch Cristiano and finally to Macau Beach. Let's begin. Our day started with a jeep and miles of Dominican backroads. As soon as we left the busy tourist area, everything slowed down. We passed through small villages, colorful houses, fruit stands and local shops. Kids waved from the road, neighborhood talked outside their homes and farms carried fresh produce. It was a beautiful way to see the everyday life of the Dominican countryside, simple, peaceful and full of character. Next we arrived at Ranch Cristiano, a small mountain village surrounded by tropical nature. Before anything else, we sat down for a fresh, home-cooked Dominican lunch. Rice, chicken, beans, lentils, and tropical fruit, simple but full of flavor. Eating outdoors, surrounded by green mountains, made it even better. After lunch, we visited a traditional Dominican home in countryside. Inside, we learned how families live, cook, store food and organize their daily routines. It's a lifestyle built on simplicity, nature and community. All at this same farm, we learn how local families grow and process cacao and coffee, how cacao pods are opened, fermented and dried, how the beans are roasted, and how pure chocolate is made. We tested fresh cacao and simple homemade chocolate. Then came Dominican coffee, strong, bold, and prepared right in front of us. And of course, Mama Juana, the traditional Dominican drink made from herbs, rum, red wine and honey. They explain how it's made and what it's mean in Dominican culture. And yes, we tried it.
Yeah, this is chocolate. Hershey.
White chocolate?
No. Actually, this is a natural chocolate. What you gonna do? Put your mouth. Don't bite into it. Don't swallow it. Suck the pulp like a Jolly Rancher. And we're getting trash can. Doesn't taste like chocolate at all, huh? No, don't worry, take one. Guys, you tried it over there like a fruit. This is now 100% dark chocolate. se va.
Ese coro es el país.
Por ahí María se va.
Y cuando arriba un safari.
Por ahí María se va.
Con ingleses y franceses.
Por ahí María se va.
Enseguida nota usted.
Por ahí María se va.
Que el lugar se embellece.
Por ahí María se va.
Y cuando con ellos vienen.
Por ahí María se va.
Rusos, manos.
Por ahí María se va.
Y
Papi.
muy contentos nos sentimos. Y una vieja y un viejito.
Por ahí María se va.
Se cayeron en un pozo.
Por ahí María se va.
Y la viejita decía.
Por ahí María se va.
Ay, qué viejito más sabroso.
Por ahí María se va.
Bravo, thank you so much. Coffee after fermentation, after song. For cleaner one coffee before my mouth. Every people before for cleaner one coffee. After song. For cleaner one coffee before my mouth. Every people before for cleaner one coffee. The people use one pillow. Come here, please. We go here. Number one with me a little practice. 1, 2, 3. You alone. You alone. You alone. Yeah.
Dale, Ucrania.
Tomorrow. Yeah. Un café, haga do, sugar un café, cross la pom, la
At the end of the visit, we got a short introduction to different local plants and their natural benefits: calabash, aloe vera, vanilla, cinnamon, lemongrass, plantain, coconut, pineapple, and more. Each plant has a story, medicinal, cultural, or culinary, and it was fascinating to see how much local life depends on nature. This visit at Ranch Cristiana was one of the most authentic part of the entire day. From the farm, we continue deeper into the countryside for a peaceful horseback ride. The trail took us through open fields, palm trees, and mountain paths. The horses were calm and views were beautiful, and everything felt slow and quiet. Even if you have never ridden before, it's relaxing and easy, a perfect way to explore the countryside at a slower pace. Our next stop brought us to a small family-run cigar factory, quietly tucked away in the Dominican countryside. Even if you don't smoke, seeing how cigars are made by hand is surprisingly fascinating, and it gives you a deeper appreciation for the skill, tradition, and patience behind them. As soon as we walked inside, we were welcomed by the warm, sweet smell of tobacco leaves drying in the air. The workers greeted us with a smile and invited us to come slower so we could watch every step of the process. We learned how the leaves are fermented and dried, a slow process that can take a week or even month. Every detail, that color, the texture, and scent change depending on how long the leaves have been rested. After the demonstration, we actually got to make our own cigar. It was one of the most unexpected and fun part of the day. They handed us the tobacco, showed us how to roll it, how to wrap it, and how to press it gently into shape. Trying to match the speed and accuracy of the workers made us realize how much skill really goes into this craft. Our cigars were definitely not as perfect as theirs, but the experience itself was unforgettable. Once rolled, the cigars are placed into wooden mold to hold their shape. After pressing, they are trimmed, polished, and prepared for packaging. Some blends are mild, others strong, and they even let us smell the different aromas to compare the richness of each one. The guide explained that cigars aren't just a business, they are traditional passed down through generations. Many of the workers learn their craft from family members, and tobacco has been a part of Dominican culture for centuries. Seeing it up close made us appreciate how much patience and skill go into something most people never think twice about. After spending time learning, rolling our own cigars, and talking with the workers, it was time to continue our journey. We ended the day at Macau Beach, one of the most beautiful natural beaches in the area. The waves were strong, the sand was soft, and the vibe was totally different from the big resorts. Our group set up a picnic on the beach with fruit and snacks, and we enjoyed the view as the sun started to set. It was the perfect ending to a full day of exploring, learning, and connecting with the local culture. This trip gave us a real look at the Dominican Republic far beyond the resorts. From the jeep backroads and the mountain farmhouse in Ranch Cristiano to horseback riding, cigars, and Macau Beach, every part of this day felt authentic and meaningful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and join us for the next adventure.